Welcome to the Dream Body Fitness, the Human Energy Project. Energy and not time is our most precious resource. We live in digital time. Our rhythms are rushed, rapid fire and relentless. Our days carved up into bits and bytes. We celebrate breadth rather than depth, quick reaction more than considered reflection. We skim across the surface, alighting for brief moments at dozens of destinations, but rarely remaining for long at anyone. We race through our lives without pausing to consider who we really want to be or where we really want to go. We are wired up, but we are melting down. Most of us are just trying to do the best what we can. When demand exceeds our capacity, we begin to make expedient choices that get us through our days and nights, but take a toll over time. We survive on too little sleep, wolf down fast foods on the run, fuel up with coffee and cool down with alcohol and sleeping pills. Faced with relentless demands at work, we become short-tempered and easily distracted. We return home from long days at work, feeling exhausted, and often experience our families not as a source of joy and renewal, but as one of more demanding and already overburdened life. We walk around with day planners, to-do lists, iPhones and Samsung, instant pages and pop-up reminders on our computers, all designed to help us manage our time better. We take pride in our ability to multitask, and we wear our willingness to put in long hours as a badge of honor. The term 24/7 describes a world in which work never ends. We use words like obsessed, crazed, and overwhelmed not to describe insanity, but instead to characterize our everyday lives. Feeling forever starved for time, we assume that we have no choice but to cram as much as possible into everyday life. But managing time efficiently is no guarantee that we will bring sufficient energy to whatever it is that we're doing. Consider these scenarios. You attend a 4-hour meeting in which not a single second is wasted, but during the final 2 hours, your energy levels drop off precipitously and you struggle to stay focused. You race through a meticulously scheduled 12-hour day, but by midday your energy has turned negative, impatient, edgy and irritable. You set aside time to be with your children when you get home at the end of the day, but you are so distracted by thoughts about work that you never really give them your full attention. You remember your spouse's birthday, your computer alerts you, and so does your Palm Pilot, but at the evening you're too tired to go out and celebrate. Energy and not time is the fundamental currency of high performance. This insight has revolutionized our thinking about what drives enduring high performance. It has also prompted dramatic transformations in the way our clients manage their lives personally and professionally. Everything they do, from interacting with colleagues and making important decisions to spending time with their families, requires energy. Obvious as this seems, we often fail to take into account the importance of energy at work and in our personal lives. Without the right quantity, quality, focus and force of energy, we are compromised in any activity we undertake. Every one of our thoughts, emotions and behaviors has an energy consequence, either better or worse. The ultimate measure of our lives is not how much time we spend on the planet, but rather how much energy we invest in the time that we have. We are not judged by duration, but by donation. It's not how long that you've lived, but how much contribution you've made. The premise of this program and of the training we do each year with thousands of clients is simple enough. Performance, health, and happiness are grounded in the skillful management of energy. They are ultimately bad bosses, toxic work environments, difficult relationships, and real-life crises. Nonetheless, we have far more control over our energy than we ordinarily realize. The number of hours in a day are fixed, but the quantity and quality of energy available to us is not. It is our most precious resource. The more we take responsibility for the energy we bring to the world, the more empowered and productive we become. The more we blame others or external circumstances, the more negative and compromised our energy is likely to be. If you could wake up tomorrow with significantly more positive, focused energy to invest at work and with your family, how significantly will that change your life for the better? As a leader and a manager, how valuable will it be to bring more positive energy and passion to the workplace? If those you lead could call on more positive energy, how could it affect the relationship with one another and the quality of service that they deliver to customers and clients? Leaders are the stewards of organizational energy in companies, organizations, and even in families. They inspire or demoralize others first by how effectively they manage their own energy, and next by how well they mobilize, focus, invest, and renew the collective energy of those they lead. The skillful management of energy individually and organizationally makes possible something we call full engagement. To be fully engaged, we must be physically energized, emotionally connected, mentally focused, and spiritually aligned with a purpose beyond our immediate self-interest. Full engagement starts with feeling eager to go to work in the morning and equally happy to return home in the evening, and capable of setting clear boundaries between the two. It means being able to immerse yourself in the mission you are on, whether that is grappling with a creative challenge at work, managing a group of people on a project, spending time with loved ones, or simply having fun. Full engagement implies a fundamental shift in the way we live our lives. Everything we do in terms of movement and nutrition has an energy consequence. Dream Body Fitness Human Energy Project invests in doubling up your physical energy. Just imagine how different your life will be. Join us on www.dreambodyfitness.co.za.